Two parallel lines at a distance of 1 and a circle of radius 2 are given. The circle is tangent to one of the lines and cuts the other line at 2 points. The area of the circle between the two parallel lines is given as a pi divided by 3 minus square root of 3 multiplied by b. Find the sum of the integers a plus b. So what is given? A circle is given with radius 2, and then two parallel lines are given. These are the two parallel lines, and the distance between the two parallel lines is 1. The circle is tangent to the outer parallel line here, and the circle cuts the two parallel lines at here and here. We are to find out the area of this region. The diagram is redrawn here again with various data given in the question duly marked. The point of tangency is T here. The circle intersects one of the parallel lines at point P and point Q, which are these 2 points. O is the center of the circle. OT is the radius of the circle, which is 2. RT is distance between the two parallel lines, is this, and that is equal to 1. Or OR, that is this distance, is equal to OT minus RT, that is equal to 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. Since OT is the radius at the point of tangency, OT is therefore perpendicular to the outer parallel line at point T. That means this line is perpendicular to this line, or this angle is 90 degree. Okay. Now since these two lines are parallel and this line is perpendicular here, this line also will be perpendicular to the inner parallel line. So we can say that angle ORP is equal to angle ORQ is equal to 90 degree. We are asked to find the area of the circle between the two parallel lines, that is, the area that is colored blue in the diagram. That means we have to find out the area of these areas. Before going any further, please like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell so you can be immediately notified for new uploads. It's completely free and only takes a few seconds, and you can always unsubscribe later if you want to. Also, if you know about any interesting problem that you would like me to solve, please upload it in your comments. Without further ado, let's proceed with the rest of the video. Now, PR is a chord of the circle and OR is a perpendicular from the center of the circle on the chord PQ. Therefore, OR bisects OQ. That means this bisects the chord PQ. Hence, PR is equal to RQ. Now, this is a right angle triangle because this angle is right angle. Therefore, one of the sides PR can be determined if you know the hypotenuse and the other side. That is, PR square is equal to OP square minus OR square. Now OP being the radius of the circle is 2, therefore OP square is 4, and OR we have found out earlier is 1, its square is also 1. Therefore PR square is equal to OP square minus OR square, and that is equal to 4 minus 1, and that is 3. So PR is equal to square root of 3. That is, this is square root of 3. Therefore, the entire chord PQ will be twice of that, and that is equal to 2 multiplied by square root of 3. Now consider this angle. Cosine of this angle, or cosine of angle POR, is equal to OR divided by OP. And OR being 1 and OP being 2, cosine of angle POR is half. Since cosine of an angle is half, that angle itself is 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. From symmetry, this angle therefore is also 60 degree. So the entire central angle subtended by the chord at the center is 60 plus 60, that is 120 degree. Or the angle subtended by the chord at the center here is 120 degree. Area of the circle is pi r square, and r being 2, it is pi multiplied by 2 square, which is 4 pi. Area of the sector OPTQ, that is OPTQ, this area is 1/3 the area of the circle, because the central angle here is 120 degree. Therefore, area of the sector is area of the circle divided by 3, or 4 pi divided by 3. Now, area of the triangle OPQ, that is this triangle, is half base into height, that is half multiplied by base PQ multiplied by height OR, that is equal to half multiplied by 2 root 3 multiplied by 1, and that is equal to root 3. Therefore, area of the blue region is area of the sector minus area of the triangle, which is 4 pi by root 3 minus square root of 3. This area is given as a pi by 3 minus square root of 3 multiplied by b, or a pi by 3 minus b square root of 3 is equal to 4 pi by 3 minus square root of 3. Therefore, by inspection, a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 1. So, a plus b is equal to 5. This is the answer.